According to FEMA, in the United States, you're more likely to experience a flood than any other natural disaster. Wherever rain falls, flooding can occur. Floods cause tremendous devastation, including loss of life, damage to property, loss of livestock, mental illness, and health conditions due to waterborne diseases. What can you and your family do to protect yourselves before the waters start to rise? Or if you are a flood survivor, how do you recover from the impact of flooding? Flood Survival, the complete guide on what to do before, during, and after a storm, covers topics such as flood insurance, storm preparation, beginning reconstruction, flooded automobiles, managing children and pets, how to handle emotional stress from a storm, and much more. Buy your Flood Survival Manual now on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or Apple Books. It's available in ebook or print format. With this guide, you'll be able to stay ahead of the game with your preparedness and make your own plan for protecting yourself and your property during a flood.